Thanks for staying with us. You're watching Republic Live. We're back with some breaking inputs from poll-bound Bengal. Reports of pre-poll violence once again coming in. Clashes broke out between the TMC and the BJP at Ulberia in Howrah last evening. Many sustained injuries. At least 10 to 15 houses of BJP supporters were also allegedly vandalized by TMC workers. Later on, huge police force reached the spot. My colleague Madhurima is joining us with more details. An action-packed day as far as multiple rallies in the poll-bound state are concerned, but political violence also parallelly on the rise. Madhurima, tell us more about this latest incident.
Well, between today, as we know, that Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also scheduled to hold 5 rallies in different places, along with Mithun Chakrabarti is scheduled to hold multiple roadshows, 4 roadshows in different places in West Bengal. These clashes once again coming up. This has been, it's happening one after another. Such incidents are cropping up, and especially on the days when there are major BJP rallies or road shows scheduled in the state of West Bengal. Once again in Ulberia, in Howrah, the clashes erupted between the TMC and the BJP leaders, BJP workers. And the BJP workers have alleged that TMC workers even went on to vandalize 10 to 15 houses of the BJP workers and supporters. So this has now become a common, and this is also one of the major cause of worry for the Election Commission, so as to ensure safe polls in the state, which is why the polls are happening in 8 different phases to make sure that they are held in a peaceful environment. And looking at this situation, once again, TMC workers going rogue, especially on the days when there are multiple rallies and road shows scheduled by the top BJP leaders and the star campaigners in the poll-bound states.
Yes, is why there is a growing concern over these incidents, Madhurima, because this is election season in the poll-bound state. But there has been the full panel of the Election Commission also that has been in West Bengal to review the law and order situation there and the election preparedness. What about that? Has any decision been taken? Any sort of an increase in the security deployment that is to take place?
Well, Christine, when we talk about the security deployment, the Election Commission has already made it clear that over 50 sensitive booths will be decked with extra security paramilitary forces to ensure a safe environment. However, let me tell you that the TMC has reached the Election Commission few days back against the security deployment, which is quite bizarre and ironical. Looking at the volatile situation of the TMC, they had said in front of the Election Commission that the extra security might scare people off and would affect the voting percentage. However, the BJP has maintained that it is important to control these acts of violence that have been reported time and again, and one like today, heavy security is important. As of now, where this incident took place today in Howrah, the security has been beefed up once again, and the Election Commission is watching very closely the security situation in West Bengal. Christine.